Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will be spending time at the Seymour Railway Heritage Centre's Open Day weekend. I visited on the Saturday of the event. We will have a walk around the yard, walk through some heritage carriages, as well as look at most of the locomotives on display. As we turn onto Victoria Street to get to the Heritage Centre, we see T378 and Y102 doing cab rides for members. As we walk in, we are welcomed by J515 and GM36. Unfortunately, my main video of J515 did not work. Here is GM36 and J515. Y102 was recently reactivated by Seymour Railway Heritage Centre to be used as a yard shunter. They reactivated Y102 because they believed that it was in the best condition out of the options they had. Here is a freight operated by Horizon, using locomotives ACD 6048 and ACD 6058. Here is locomotive T382. After heading in the sheds, we see the back of GM36 and T320, and then we turn to see DRC 43. This is GM36. Now having a look through some carriages, with this one being 47BE. Here is a dining carriage.
More uniform, so we reproduced the same design. We just didn't do the carvings.
And here is another one, which you can see going off this cup tray, was on the Melbourne-Sydney Express.
That's it. You always the same old problem. Where you go.
Yeah, that's it exactly.
But you get there eventually, but it just
This is Y102's last cab ride trip, as it then gets substituted with T382. There was plenty of recently retired V-Line H, N and Z cars. Here is the map stuck on an N car, and here is a better picture. In one of the old V-Line BRN economy class buffet cars, the normal economy seats have been taken out and been replaced with tables and chairs. They have also added their own signage to the buffet. And here is luggage car 1CS. Also in the ex-V-Line BRN car, they have added new blinds. Here is V-Line Sprinter 7020 and ex-Pacific National Y174. Once again, here is Y102 after being shunted out of the way. And now time for arguably the best part of the event. C501, CL17, A60, S307 and B74 all lined up together. And here is a very shiny looking S303. And X31 as well as T357. Here is T342, which was once with the South Gippsland Tourist Railway, and then Alzero. Here is a bit more close up on X31. As you can see, T382 has taken over Y102, with T378 remaining on the cab rides. Now we will see the cab rides from the signal box, as well as the down Albury velocity. And here is C501 running its engine. And hiding behind the recently retained V-Line carriages looks to be an old V-Line S or Z car. Here is the old S-Class steam train tender. There is also one of these at Newport, but all the actual locomotives were scrapped. They were used on the Spirit of Progress to Albury, where passengers used to have to change to a different train to keep going to Sydney. This was due to Victoria only having broad gauge and New South Wales only having standard gauge. The gauges are how wide the track is. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider to give the video a like as well as subscribe. And I hope that if you did enjoy, you'll be back for future videos. Bye for now.